So now let's say a thread break happens when creating the quilt. First, rethread the machine. Then go to the Pro Stitcher tab, select New Start and End, select the Zoom tool to zoom in on where the thread broke, move the cursor to the exact point where it broke, then select Start Auto twice. The first time you click it, the green target will attach to the crosshair. When it's selected again, it will drop it into place and detach it. Now go up to Pro Stitcher, Quilt, then you would select Run and it will start quilting from where your thread broke.